Hi, welcome to all. Today we are going to see just a simple sketch, watercolor sketch. ஸோ தமிழ் இங்கிலீஷ் ரெண்டுலேயுமே மேஜர் சுந்தராஜ் மாதிரி சொல்லிடலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஃபஸ்ட் பேசிக் ஸ்கெட்ச் வித் பென்சில் 5 கிளிகள். அது வந்து ஒரு புக்கோட டைட்டில். ஸோ ஃபார் த டைட்டில் கவர் ஐ எம் டூயிங் திஸ் ஒர்க். I found watercolor is very simple, so just wanted to play with watercolor. So sketch is important, so I have done with a pencil. In my sketchbook, it's a watercolor sketchbook, so you can apply more water. It's a 200 gsm paper, so we can apply more water, and water will flow, it will paint itself. Yeah, almost we completed the basic sketch. The title is 5 parrots, so I've drawn 5 parrots. I'm always having doubt with parrots and peacocks, like push and pull. So parrots கிளிகள். So full wet and wet technique, more water, less color, more water. So it will paint itself. Why I am keeping that sketchbook like this? So the gravity, the colors will fall down, so it will give some more gradient in some areas, so it won't be flat. See, first I applied some plain water, and then I applied some more colors. அதே கலர் நடிக்கணும்னு இல்லை, எந்த கலர் வேணாலும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். முதது கொஞ்சம் ரெட்டு, அடுத்து கொஞ்சம் ஆரஞ்சு, எல்லோ. ஸோ ஓவரால் பாடி கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுறேன். தென் ஃபைனர் டீட்டெயில்ஸ், eyes and nose we will cover it later. Finer details. So sap green and yellow mixed. Next mainly yellow, lemon yellow with orange I mixed with this. So it will give some dimension values. Next one is green color, green with yellow. So whatever color is there, you don't apply the whatever color is in your palette, you just mix with some other color, so it will give some nice result. Painting won't be very flat, it will give more dynamically, it will be. So here and all yellow, green, I applied blue also. So wherever dark tones is required, some shadows and area, directly you can apply blue color, because for watercolors we will not use black and white, so you can apply blue color, a dark blue, ultramarine blue. First you apply light color, then you put more color, dark colors. I think almost we completed the body part. Then we will work it on that tree branch. So in bottom more darker value, and we are drawing the fingers of all birds. So simple sketch, everybody can. That's the beautiful of watercolor, it will be looking very vibrant. It's a transparent watercolor. So with a small brush, now we can switch over to big brush to small brush. So for finer details, eyes and all. Almost we completed. Actually here I didn't cover the background of that. Yeah, done after that. Thanks for watching.